Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great.
Hey guys, today we'll be making this Salt Art Snowflake. It's super easy and super fun, so stick around to find out how to do this. This craft only calls for a few materials, being paper, glue, salt, and some watercolor paint. I use cardstock paper for this craft because it's a bit more durable than regular paper. Your first step is to draw your design with glue. I made one large snowflake for this craft, but you're welcome to do whatever kind of design you'd like. While your glue is still wet, you're going to add salt on top of your design. Make sure that the salt adheres to all parts of the glue. Once your glue is well covered with salt, you're going to shake off the excess salt. I found it easier to use a tray with this just to catch all the salt. Next step is to let it dry. Once your design is all dry, you're going to take your watercolor paint and paint the salt on the design. Make sure to use a lot of water whenever you're painting your design because this helps move the paint freely across the salt. Once you're done painting your design, then you're going to let it dry. Here's my finished product. I love that this craft only calls for a few materials, and with those materials you can make a fun and colorful piece of art. Have fun doing this, and happy holidays!